The machine tool industry is entering a technology renaissance. But at the same time, employers are facing a real people problem. Gone are the days of readily available G-code savvy graduates. How do you attract and retain a more capable and empowered workforce? The C-Numeric CNC platform addresses the skills gap with the industry's most intuitive HMI available. With a modern app-like interface, C-Numeric controls are easily engaged by today's digital savvy workforce. Integrated help menus minimize learning curves and related costs. Graphical interaction removes G-code constraints, and production is accelerated. 3D visual verification of programming, tool and spindle setups, tool path, and part probing ensure both accuracy and manufacturing efficiency. This intuitive experience can be implemented shop-wide, from 3-axis all the way to full 5-axis machining. Speak the language of today's digital workforce. Control your future now. Realize greater returns on your machine tool investments. Insist on C-Numeric CNC. Machine shops are under fierce competitive time and cost pressures. How can you optimize your most valuable resources, people and machines? C-Numeric controls facilitate the move to advanced machining technologies. Boost your business with enhanced capabilities. Mixed technology machines do the work of 2 or more machines, simplifying scheduling, reducing setups, and accelerating production. High-speed 5-axis machining can produce intricate parts quickly, accurately, and in a single setup, dramatically reducing cycle times. And for maximum flexibility, kinematic independent programming allows the same program to run across multiple machines without the need for separate post-processors. C-Numeric CNC puts it all at your fingertips. Empower your people with enhanced skills and increasingly greater productivity. Control your future now. Realize greater returns on your machine tool investments. Insist on C-Numeric CNC. Inefficient production methods are holding your business back. How can you efficiently streamline operations and reduce costs? C-Numeric CNC simplifies the integration of automated processes that allow you to do much more in much less time. Seamlessly integrate the practices of larger manufacturers, such as robotics for material handling and even machining. Remove separate steps and their associated costs by integrating secondary processes into the realm of the CNC. The C-Numeric platform can integrate part testing and other process steps, all controlled by the machine operator at the CNC. Improve the efficiencies of your manufacturing operation reduce costs, eliminate variables, increase accuracy, and boost your productivity. Control your future now. Realize greater returns on your machine tool investments. Insist on C-numeric CNC. The machine tool industry is being swept up in a wave of ever-accelerating technology advancements. This technology wave integrates digital information to improve the performance of machines, people, and operations in ways never before possible. How can you leverage these digitally driven processes? The C-numeric platform facilitates communication between design and production, maximizing end-to-end efficiencies. Using a digital twin, design for manufacturability, part programming, and toolpath optimization are done in the virtual world, maximizing the uptime of your CNC machines. Linking your CNC and CAD/CAM systems together streamlines processes and ensures manufacturing accuracy by centralizing all data related to the operation. You can access prints, parts programs, approvals, and inspection reports from any PC or networked CNC machine. Siemens is accelerating the digital revolution for progressive machine shops. The result is faster setups and increased machining efficiencies. Control your future now. Realize greater returns on your machine tool investments. Insist on C-numeric CNC.